Today, we're going to go to Spanish Fork Airport. They're gonna have a car show and a retro plane show. So they're gonna, I think, open the runway up for cars to do like high speed runs. They're gonna have like World War II era planes there. I've been playing some War Thunder. I've been watching, it's called Masters of the Air. I just finished that show last night. So I'm all up in the World War II era planes. Now I'm not good at the whole vlogging off the bike thing, but we'll make an attempt. So I'm doing that instead of doing like a weekend trip. I thought that would be fun. I was considering doing like a Highway 12 thing. I've done it on when I had the KTM 690 Supermoto, but I want to do it on this bike. But I just had a weird feeling about it. And then those guys invited me to go to this, so I'm like, I'll have fun doing that. I can still ride a little bit. Nothing too exciting, it's just gonna be boring freeway, but just see some cool things, cool cars, cool planes. And yeah, we'll see how much video I actually take of it. I might have to do a lot of standing. I don't think they'll have any like seats there. That stadium right there, that's where Real Salt Lake plays. Now we got a hockey team, which just feels bizarre. It just doesn't feel like a real, I don't know, have you ever like played like Madden or one of those sports games and just relocate your team and it just seems like a fake team? You gotta like make up a name for your team and stuff. That's kind of what that team feels like. Hopefully I can go to a game this year, but tickets are just insane, so I don't know if it'll end up happening. Then we got Red Bull Rampage in 2 weeks, so that'll be awesome. That's kind of a reason I had to do this little Southern Utah Highway 12 thing, because I'm gonna be going that way anyway in a couple weeks. Also, purely the only reason I haven't been riding the FZ07, it's due for an oil change. I just haven't changed the oil yet, so that's why it's parked. Alright, so based on the fact that there's so many cars lined up along the road right now, I have a feeling there's not gonna be any parking, so I should probably park along the road here somewhere. And I see a gravelly lot here. I have gravel tires on. I see a Miata. No Corolla is pretty cool though. Let's see if I can sneak up a tune right here. We can. They know what's up. Alright, we are here. Let's go look at some planes and be a crazy guy talking to a camera. Let's see a closer look at this thing. Looks like something cloudy flies on War Thunder. Plane with freaking D-bikes on it. That's the turbo.
But somebody was pulling out as we were pulling. Come on! There's a lot of Kyle. It'd be cool if it had a
Mothership fans, one of the things that we had today that I told you about is we are so honored to have Suzanne here with the FAA, and I told you about our Airbus.
Down, but we have several flybys, military demonstrations, more pyro coming out, so stick around, and then for Saturday.
$300,000 into it's really how much horsepower you want to go. I mean, that's really what it is. How fast do you want to go?
Yeah, it is absolutely about.
But the rest of the drivetrain has to support that horsepower, right, Josh? And I think one of the things that I remember seeing last year, Josh, is that the all-wheel drive.
That was kind of fun. I just wish I got better footage of the cars like racing and stuff, but oh well, that's what I got. That's my attempt at doing one of those style videos if I can figure out how to ride my motorcycle. I don't remember how. I think the fastest car there was a twin turbo Lamborghini that I think got up to like 190. It was like 1700 horsepower. Look at this beast. So I don't think there'll be really anything else going on. Been in the sun all day, so I'm kind of tired and don't know if I have much to talk about. That thing was at the show. I think it would be so cool to have the transport cars. But thanks for hanging out with me in this different kind of video that I don't normally do. Season's coming down to an end. We do have Red Bull Rampage coming up, so I'll try to do some video there. I might do another vlog style. I'm so excited for Red Bull Rampage. I don't really have much else in store. I just got a month left till the ankle surgery about, so try to think of some things to live it up a little before I can't walk for a while.